Hey everyone, and welcome to a short video where I'm going to show you how to use our image converter app. So first, you need to make sure that the image converter app is added to your OneLaunch dock. So it has these two little image icons, and if you hover over it, it will say the image converter. If you don't have this here, you can click the additional apps button, which is the plus button, and then it will open up your apps library, and then you'll scroll down. It's the last app on the list. So you can click on it and make sure that the check mark is there to add it to the OneLaunch dock. Also, if you want better visibility, you can right click on the app and show the label, and that way the image converter label will be beside the image converter icon so that you know exactly what you're clicking. So to use the app, you're going to click on the icon and it will open this window where you can select your file type. It has a really long list. Once you pick your file type of the image that you want to convert, it will let you select what file type you want to convert that image or file to. So I have this OneLaunch icon PNG. So when we open the image converter app, we want to select PNG, and then it will give you all these file types that you can change it to or convert it to. I want it to be a PDF, so we'll click PDF, and then you'll click the Convert button. This will open the OneLaunch browser to Cloud Convert, and you can see that it's PNG to PDF converter. Here you can click on the Select Files button, and this is where you'll be able to click on the file that you want to convert. So we'll find the OneLaunch icon PNG, and we will open it. You can see that it shows that it's converting to a PDF. If you changed your mind, you can always search a different format. The same thing over here, you can kind of click a different format as well. You can also add more files. I only have one PNG that I want to convert. And then when you're happy with all your settings, then you'll click the Convert button. And now you wait for it to process. And then once it's done, this window pops up and you can see that now it's the OneLaunch icon PDF. And then you'll want to download this. If you just close it, it closes the preview window and you actually don't have the PDF version of this image onto your computer. So we'll want to download it. See, it's downloads, it's in our downloads. If you click on it, you can see that now we have a OneLaunch icon PDF. And those are the steps for converting images using the OneLaunch image converter app. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our support team at support@onelaunch.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a great day.